Okay guys, today we fixed this. It's a gas leakage issue. You can see it's a very old regulator. When I just put in and turn it on, you'll see the gas leakage from here. Now we can just fix this issue. It saves lots of your money. You can just make it like new. You go to the nearby store and you can see it's a washer. It's a rubber washer. You can buy it from a nearby electronic store or even in the gas store, wherever you find it in some electronic store. So get this a proper size. You can see. If you do not know, you can just take your regulator with you and just get the proper size that will fit into this. So already you have one rubber washer over here. So do not remove that, and just above that you're gonna put another one. Just push it inside properly. So once you are done putting the washer, now you have a couple of rubber washers inside it. Now just gonna put it in. So you have to put a little bit more pressure comparing to previous time, because you have a couple of washers. So you have to put more pressure to put it inside. So you have to put a lots of pressure sometime because you have to press the washer. You have a couple of washers, otherwise it won't fit. It just come out. So you just check it by pulling it up whether it comes out or not. So put more pressure. So you can see now I can pull up cylinder, but it won't come out. So you have to put a high pressure when you are putting a couple of washers in it. Now I'll just put a finger over here, and when I turn it on, you can see not even a little bit of gas leakage because of the couple of washers. So the best way, when you just turn it on and leave it all day, you will not have a little bit of gas leakage. So the best way to fix this gas leakage issue, instead of buying the new one, it's much better than buying a new one. So guys, if you like this tutorial, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe and comment. I'll catch you in the next tutorial with another great stuff. Have a good day.